A dark new chapter in the story of one of America's oldest colonies. Scientists now say colonists in Jamestown, Virginia, turned to cannibalism during the cruel winter of 1609 to 1610. It's also known as the starving time. A group of scientists recently found a butchered skull belonging to a 14-year-old girl from the colony. According to the Daily Press, archaeologists suspected those settlers resorted to cannibalism, but this is the first scientific proof. The teen's skull and a lower leg bone were excavated in 2012. According to the Washington Post, they were found mixed with those of a horse, dogs, and squirrels, testament to the extreme food sources the colonists turned to that winter. A forensic anthropologist from the Smithsonian National Museum of Natural History said there were a number of chops and cuts to the forehead, the back of the skull, and the left side of the head. Experts believe those cuts to the girl's bones indicate the person who did it wasn't a skilled butcher, and the main purpose was to remove the facial tissue and the brain. According to the BBC, 80% of the colonists died during the starving time. It's still unknown how many of those were cannibalized. The cannibalism would have taken place very shortly after the girl's death, although how she actually died is still unknown. A reconstruction of her face has been made after the skull was scanned and will be displayed in Jamestown. The settlers of Jamestown were under siege from native members of the Powhatan tribe at the time and did not have sufficient supplies to last the winter. For Newsy, I'm Lauren Goris.